from the English Mathematics Education 2, and in this video we'll explain and we will give the simulation about mathematics education curriculum. And happy learning, guys! See you!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Firstly, I would like to thank to Allah that has given us everything. So this time we can be here and do our activity. I thanks to Allah by saying Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. My beloved friend, may I have your attention? The presentation is about to begin. Let me introduce myself. My name is Febi and I'm here in my function as moderator. Allow me to introduce the speaker presenter. We are Iga Dwi Setianti and Faniar, Aulia, Nisa. Okay, now moving along to our session. Please welcome Iga Dwi Setianti. Okay, good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
Fine.
Thank you. And you? Okay. And now I will explain about the smart calculator application, useful or not. In mathematics education, we can learn anything and we can learn everywhere. Alright?
Yes.
Okay, in this case, we will learn about smart calculator. In this era, the development technology is have a big impact for us, and the benefits of smart calculator application is still a question of whether to provide benefits or not. And we will explain, we will find the benefits of this smart calculator. Okay, next. Okay, the effects are one, because this application is smart, makes students smarter, because when we use smart calculator, student can solve many problems, and with this calculator, the students can solve the problem easier. And the second, notebooks become cleaner, because we use the smart application, or we can use the smartphone, not the notebooks. So notebooks become cleaner. And last, the classes become active and more students will come forward. When we learn about smart calculator, it makes we can active in class, and we can answer the question, and we can learn anything in smart calculator. Okay, our technologies do have bad and good impacts on our lives, depending on who we use and utilize these technologies just in our lives. And then in the last case, I will tell you about this sentence. Our technologies do have bad and good impacts on our lives. It depends how are used these technologies. And in first, I have to explain the effect, and in the last, I will information you about this sentence. Okay, I think enough, and the time I will give to Mrs. Ali. Okay, thank you, Miss Iga, for this lesson. Okay, now we move the second speaker. Please welcome Faniar, Aulia, Nisa.
Okay, hi guys.
Hello.
Thanks for Before that, I'm Faniar Aulia Nisa, and that's my Gmail if you want to email me, okay? And now today we will talk about lifelong mathematics education. Okay, next. Before that, I have a quote from Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education was very important. Okay, next. Then, how important is education? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ichlasul.
Okay, what do you think about education?
Education is very important because we learn every day at school and at home.
Okay, very smart answer. That's what's so right because education was very important for our life, that for our children, and then grow up to old. Okay, next. And then it is a little talking about one branch of science known throughout the world is mathematics. Mathematics is one branch of science that has many fundamental development in other science, has an important role in human life. In everyday life, mathematics is used to solve problems faced by human. Okay. Next. And then four types of lifelong learning stage. There is unconsciously incompetent, consciously incompetent, consciously competent, and unconsciously competent. Let's open it one by one. Next. And then the first is unconsciously incompetent. In the moment, the person needs to get environmental assistance to make them aware or remind themselves that there are some life abilities which he must master. And the second is consciously incompetent. There is someone is need more motivation for other people to get their success. Next. And then consciously competent. And this model, people was get the success, but they don't know about it. And then unconsciously competent. In this condition, the people was the first condition above. It's required external factor, environmental condition, and other people who can realize themselves so that they can access this competencies. Okay, next. Okay, this is our conclusion. Mathematics learning for human is expected to have a function of the left brain and as well as design optimist abilities. These abilities are useful for human overcoming problems and change the array in life. Okay. Okay, that's enough for me. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Miss Fani, for this lesson. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Now I open question and answer session for 2 questionnaire. Does anybody want to ask something? Okay. Come here.
Okay, I want to ask Miss Iga. My name is Rahma Azzahra. I'm from Mathematics Education, University of Negeri Semarang. I want to ask, does using a smart calculator application can cause laziness of the student because they depend on the applications? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Tsania. Okay, next. Anything else? Okay.
Okay, my name is Ichlasul Hafizia. I'm from Mathematics Education Universitas Negeri Semarang. I want to ask to Miss Fani. Miss Fani said there were 4 steps of lifelong learning. Please mention the characteristic of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Yul. Okay, next. I give the speaker to answer the question. Okay, thank you. Please, Miss Iga, to answer the question.
Okay, I will answer the question from Miss Tsania. Okay, so the conclusion is the smart calculator application to make the student leisures, but the leisures depends who use the application. Okay, this is my answer. Thank you, Miss Tsania.
Okay, thank you, Miss Iga. This answer the question. Next, for Miss Fani to answer the question.
Okay.
Thank you for Ms. Ichul with a very smart question, and then I will talk about four conditions. The first is that people still need external support, okay, and the second is the people need a very hard motivation, and the third is that people can stand alone and are ready to success. And the last condition is that people is actually competent in certain things but not aware about it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I will tell the conclusion first topic. All technologies do have bad and good impacts on our life, depending on how we utilize these technologies in our life. Okay, in second topic, in this era of globalization, lifelong education is important to be carried out by humans. Okay, thank you for your comment and contribution. I hope you can be learn about smart calculator, application, and lifelong mathematics education. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.